What's going on, guys? It's me, Nagahamak, welcoming you back to the first ever non-Minecraft tutorial series. Now, as you can see, it's not the best website in the world, I must say. No jokes. But today we're going to make it much better. Now, what is going on out there? Okay, no. We're going to do a bit more on the paragraphing, because without paragraphing it just looks like a big chunk of words. There's no order. So I haven't, as you can see, I've literally just uploaded it. This is going to be used later on. Oh yeah, and there's another one. We let's put like a heading 2, and we're gonna put like a previous upload. Let's do that. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. Oops, no, it has to be in here because everything after the heading tags acts as a paragraph. And that is something you need to know. So we kind of actually don't need this, because if we type in, even up here, type in hello, it's down there, which is, I must say, is very interesting. Take that as a mental note. Now then, this is right where I left off, so there's a lot of noise going on. So we're going to do the last upload by Nagahamak was Minecraft tutorial on HTML and CSS coding for websites. There we go. And now that's okay. No idea why it's done that. So let's put a full stop, just so the critics don't get us. And bye. So then, if we look here, this is it so far. It's pretty boring. It just says Nagahamak PBS upload. The last upload by Nagahamak was a non-Minecraft tutorial on HTML and CSS coding for websites. First of all, let's add a bit more information. The video that was uploaded. The video that was uploaded was about creating this website. Now then, let's just put a full stop for now. As you can see, as we are creating this, it will keep adding this and adding this on. Now, there's not a single line. And now, before I'm going to continue on, there's something very interesting that you might need to do, especially in the more advanced coding. And we're going to do a header tag, and of course we need to do a closing header tag, and in that header tag No, and for the header tag you want to put an HTML tag, and bottom we want to put a closing HTML tag, and then here you want to put a body tag. Sounded wrong, but okay. And a slash body tag or closing body tag. Now, in real coding, it's not going to do it here. Everything you type in the body tag will appear up here because it's the body of this, of your web page. Everything here won't be seen on the web page, but it will be seen externally. So, for instance, I'm actually going to show you this. I'm going to do a tag called title. And now, look what that's done immediately. Note, if you don't put a closing tag, there will be no web page. Because what a type tag is if we click on this, look. So if we just hover over it, it has all of our code there. So that's why we absolutely have to, because all of this, everything below this, everything until it reaches a closing title tag will be, let's say, up here. That's the title. The title's not here. The title's always on this thing here. So that's why, if you want to have a web page and not just a really long title, you put /title. Tilde. Yeah, that's another bug. People do tend to misspell title. And now, if we do this, come on, we just have that. And so let's do it as H. We'll have, come on, it has H. So I'm gonna do it as, I'm gonna have and then put that, because they all have that, remember? Yeah, I don't know why I have got permission to do this, so no criticals. So then, that's basically all we're going to put for now in our header tags, but let's focus on our body. Now, I'm going to go, what we want to do, if you want to get something off the internet, you want to get the URL from here. So I'm going to search in Wikipedia logo, and we go to images and scroll down a little. What is going on? Dr. P. LG. Okay. Right, where is Wikipedia? It's YouTube. There we go, the YouTube wiki. Now, you want to do copy image location if you're using phone. Image URL if you're, no, this isn't Chrome, this is Firefox. So if you're using Chrome, then copy image URL, and there's also copy image, I can't remember the other two, but if we go to here, now this is creating an image, so if we do, it's very simple, image or img, very simple, and now this is, we're now getting into proper coding, and now get ready for the different colour, a source code. And now if you look here, we've got this little icon which we can't click on. If we click view image, nothing's there, no code of Windows page exists. So if we go back, come on, let's go now. Just load please. if we go back to this, we want to do source equals, and if we see we've got switch it up, we do got that and that instead. And we want to do those two quotation marks. Now if we miss out one of them, whole of it becomes a quotation. And now if we do Control V or right click and do paste, then we'll get the image URL, and there we go. Now there's another thing that is very useful, and that is the height or width ones. So I'm going to do width equals I'm going to do it as 100. Do small. Let's do 200. Yeah, that's fine. So let's do 250. Okay, maybe a bit too big. I think 150 will really sit with that. Yeah, 150 is fine. As it looks along with the phone. So, if you want to take a glance at this, kind of look at it, and now we have the image tag with the width, and now the width has to come first, because if it comes after, it won't show up in here, won't affect it at all. It probably have that expected character after attribute value. Oh yeah. I want to put a space between everything. Now these things are called attributes. These things are called tags. All of these, these are the source codes. So you probably don't need to need that unless you're trying to teach someone like me. Or you're doing a GCSE test. But there is one thing that you need to look, and you have to get this right, is if you spell it wrong, and I've done this so many times, it will become a script tag, and it won't show up there, but it can cause problems in later things. So you might say, forget it, I'm not going to have that, it's too much hard work, then something else won't work. So yeah, that's an example page of someone else's, which is very nice. So I think that's what I'm going to do for this video. I hope you guys have all enjoyed. Now let's take a look at our beautiful website. So, as you can see, we've got the YouTube wiki. We can't do anything with that. We've got our header, our first header, the only one, and then we have a second header, and we have our text using the paragraph tags. Now, if you look, I'm going to create a second paragraph saying B, and then of course we need to close that, and if you don't forget to do that, it will just just appear there and not there. So that's very important, because we're going to get rid of that, and I'm going to add to this more off camera. So anyway, I hope you guys have all enjoyed. I literally have recorded this one straight after, so it's not much editing, it's just getting the basics down. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye!